Hey, welcome. If you're new to the channel, thanks for clicking. If not, welcome back. It's H and with another Pokemon Scarlet and Violet Black Bolt White Flare Elite Trainer Box opening. Thanks again for joining me on this 5th video of the Black Bolts and White Flare ETB's opening. I sure hope this time I hit something with the Black Bolts. Even though White Flare is my buddy, been giving me all the good hits. But I need something from Black Bolts as well. I can't just be friends with White Flare. I need Black Bolts in my life as well. So if you're enjoying these Pokemon box opening, please leave a like and subscribe. So without further ado, let's get this box open. Let me open these boxes so I can get the packs out. And then we'll start opening the packs. Alright, welcome back. I got all the packs out of the ETBs. Once again, I'll start the Black Bolts. Hopefully, this time it will give me something. So, without further ado, let's get opening. Fire Energy, Emolga, Tranquil, Scarlet, Maricatus, Thra, Pheno, Among Us, a Pokeball Galette, which I have already, Reverse Hollow Tynamo, and a Hollow Cobaline. First pack, a Pokeball hit. Still Energy, Dynamo, Drillbur, Pioneer, Machino, Professor Richard, Professor Juniper, Kyogano, Pokegear 3.0, a Reverse Hollow Chupchu, Reverse Hollow Larvesta, and a Hollow Beartix. Oh, nice. A Foil Dark Energy. Darmaka. Dualseon. Dweeble. Exu. Chinchino. Terratoga. Air Balloon. Oh, nice. It's a Pokeball XL. Man, I can't remember if I have this or not. But that's a good pull. Oh, well, it's a Clank. Illustration Rare. Got this one already. I know for sure. This is my 3rd one already. Oh, Superior EX. Nice. A triple hit. Nice. Fortunately, it's all I believe I have all of them already, but hit is better than no hit, I guess I would say. On to the next pack. Grass Energy, Fungus, Chupchu, Tranquil, Timber, Simipour, Unfencent, Prism Energy, Reverse Hollow Mushroom, Musharna. Reverse hollow Willipede. And a hollow Bikini. Psychic Energy. Coroblast. Pado. Willipede. Gruder. Bisharp. A second Bisharp. Crustal. Reverse hollow Dweeble. Reverse hollow Maricatus. And a hollow Caracosta. Ooh, and a foil Grass Energy. Munna. Snivy. Penpour. Gruder. Darmentian. Scarlet. Musharna. It's a Pokeball Excalibur. Musharna. And the reverse hollow Cobaline. And a hollow Landorus. It's a new Pokeball for me. Nice. Electric Energy. Fungus. Larvesta. Sandal. Illigo. Ansplan. Lilligant. Renucleus. Ooh, a Master Ball. Caragono. Nice. Oh, Teratoga illustration rare. Oh man, second pack with a third pack? Nope. Just a foil, a hollow Volcarona. But nice, but two cards I believe I don't have. I know I don't have this one, so this one at all. A Teratoga illustration rare. That's a good one. A Master Ball, I believe I don't have this one as well. Nice. No big hit, but at least it's new cards for me, for my master set. Fighting Energy. Audino. Kakarot. Tensage. Iglum. Thra. Vino. Mungus. Reverse Hollow Ferex. Reverse Hollow Professor Research, Professor Jupiter. And the Hollow Clink. Last pack for the Black Bolts. Come on. Last pack magic, as they would say. I think everybody's like overusing that. I need something. Oh, a foil Fire Energy. Machino. Clang. Solicus. Audino. Offensant. Prism Energy. Simipour. This is a Pokeball. Crocodile. Nice. That's a new one for me. Yep. Reverse Hollow Rufflet. Oh, Zekrom EX. Nice. Well, it's not the Zekrom we wanted, but it's a Zekrom we got. Or should I say, it's the Zekrom we got. Alright, let's put these to the side. Called White Flare. Fire Energy. Gafita. Dino. Durling. Reginola. Stunfisk. Swoobat. Lepard. Reverse Hollow Hilda. Oh! A Ming Fu illustration rare. Nice. That is cool. And a Terracon. Rare. Foil. Hollow. Oh. I bagged the wrong card. Here we go. First pack. I already have better pull than my first pack. Well, I had the Pokeball in the first pack. Oh. First card. Just so I'll stop doing that pull and pulling everything from the rear. Fire Energy with a Pinsir. Shelmet. Furlish, Duat, Swak, Watchdog, Simisear, Reverse Hollow Archeops, Reverse Hollow Antique Plum Fossil. Oh, there's another Jellicent EX. Oh, a foil Psychic Energy. Basculin, Pinsir, Shelmet, Furlish, Forthorn, Garbodor, Swak. Oh, a Pokeball. Galvatila. Man, I can never remember. Try to figure out how you pronounce these guys. Galvatil. Reverse Hollow Tepeg. And a Hollow Archeops. Galvatilet. I don't know how you read it. Galvatilet. Dark Energy, Dewat, Blitzel, Zolis, Pet Rat, Simisear, Harlequin, Stunfisk, a Pokeball, Oshawott. Nice. Oh, a Minibuzz illustration rare. Nice. That's a new one. The vulture is so cool. It's like so desert. Another Foot and Hollow Galvatilet. Galvatil. It's something. Ooh, foil fire energy. With a T-Peg. Golftita. Vanillite. Joltik. Stoutland. Archon. Subat. Reverse Hollow Ferroseed. Reverse Hollow Yamask. And a Hollow Zoroark. Zoroark. Still Energy. Cottony. T-Peg. Golfita. Vanillite. Stoutland. Livini. Hilda. Reverse Hollow Stunfisk. Reverse Hollow Leopard. And a Bouffalant EX. Leaf Energy, Forseed, Yamask, Dino, Mingfu, Scrafty, Swina, Durdigon, no, it's a Master Ball. Nice. Is a Master Ball Shelmet? Is it? I think so. Nice. Reverse Hollow Gigaluf and the Hollow Samurott. Oh. Let me just leave this Master Ball Shelmet. Oh, nice. It's a foil Still Energy. Joltik. Forseed. Yamask. Dino. Subat. Swana. Scrafty. Reverse Hollow Ocelot. Reverse Hollow Heatmore. Oh, it's a full art Whimsicott EX. Nice. Nice, full art. I've been playing too much, what do you call it? Pocket. TCG Pocket. So I heard the chain when I pull the card. I want that chain is copyrighted. I can start using it on these cards. Dark Energy, Oswalt, Turbish, Here Dear. Oh, it's the last pack too, guys. Pignite, Harlequin. So hopefully, let's get last pack magic. Minibus, Galvantula. Oh, it's a Pokeball Scrafty. Nice. There we go. It's a reverse hollow Scrafty. We couldn't end it with a double or triple hit. So let's see. Double? Nope. This is a Chandelier hollow. Well, that's a pretty good opening as well. No big hit, but you know, good enough already. But alright guys, be right back with the recap. Alright guys, welcome back to the recap. Starting with the Black Bolts. The Pokeballs. I got the Galette. Let me see if I get the, there we go. Pokeball Shine. Look at the Galette. Crocodile. Escavalier. XL. And the Master Ball is the Colonel General. EXs are the Superior. And Zekrom. The art illustration rares are the Taratoga and the Clink. For the White Flare, I got the Aswell as the Pokeball. The Galfalet. Scrafty. The Master Ball is the Shelmet. EX is the Jellicent. Buffalent. Illustration rare is the Mingfu. Menabuzz. And the full art is the Whimsicott EX. Thanks again, guys, for joining me on this Pokemon pack opening. And again, if you enjoy it, please leave a like and subscribe. And if not, it's okay. Thanks for joining me anyway. Unfortunately, I, Chendo, will now have to leave you, for the sun is chased away the darkness. Goodbye.